Hey guys, Kayla here with MyAirbags. Our team is dedicated to helping vehicle owners, auto dealers, auto body repair shops, and collision centers with their vehicles' post-collision needs. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel below. Please make sure if at any point during this video you have questions, please let us know in the comments below or visit our community forum. The forum link is in the video description. We want to help you in any way that we can. Today, we'll be sharing with you some time and money hacks for replacing your vehicle's airbag connector plugs. Our company offers same-day service and 24-hour service turnaround, but we also want to share our knowledge with you 24/7. We have a lot of people ask us what advice we can give to those in need of replacing their airbag connector plugs. First, our family-owned and operated company exists to recycle and repair parts while saving our customers hundreds of dollars. Automotive safety is a priority to us as it helps to save lives every single day. And we really believe everyone should have easy access to affordable vehicle repair resources. To us, it's important as leaders in the industry to share tips as we value transparency and honesty. So here at MyAirbags, we're setting the standard in meaning and doing what we say, even by passing it down to other small businesses. Check out our other video on airbag connectors and what causes them to melt or go bad. First tip, don't listen to mechanics that urge you to purchase a clock spring replacement. Your part still probably functions properly. All you really need to do is replace your damaged or melted airbag connector plugs. Oftentimes when the airbag connector plugs are melted, removing the clock spring can cause more damage than simply cutting the wires and reconnecting them with new connector plugs. Instead, save your time and money. Tip number 2. Mechanics and dealerships will often recommend an unnecessary passenger wiring harness replacement. This will not fix the issue that you're actually experiencing. Third tip, dealerships and auto body shops can't even clear the crash codes, hard codes, soft codes, or latch codes stored in the vehicle's airbag control module themselves. So on top of replacing a clock spring and passenger wiring harness, they'll also try to sell a replacement airbag module that can exceed $600 in cost and replacement seatbelts at a whopping $200 to $300 per belt. Fortunately, we offer time and money saving solutions at a fraction of the cost of replacements. You can purchase a pair of replacement airbag connector plugs that fit your vehicle and model, or even try our universal kit. Generally speaking, splicing the existing wires coupled with installing new airbag connector plugs will fix the issues experienced with the clock spring and the wiring harness. And if your vehicle is also in need of a seatbelt repair or an airbag control module reset from IPC certified technicians, you can simply send everything in at once to MyAirbags and we'll get you back driving on the road in no time. I'll share with you what's so special about our exclusive universal airbag connector plug kit. We've designed our universal airbag connector kit to have many benefits for both consumers and businesses. Number 1, you'll have everything you already need in one kit instead of trying to locate multiple products in different places. Number 2, our universal kit can connect to all makes and models. We finally created a solution for all. Number 3, not only can you configure our plugs to any type that you need, but they're also super easy to install. And last but not least, there's no specialty tools required. Most businesses in the automotive industry will have a heat gun, but if you don't, a hairdryer will even work just fine. Each of our exclusive universal kits includes a pair of universal airbag connector plugs. Dealerships, auto body shops, collision centers, and auto stores don't carry these kits. Our kit also contains 2 pairs of solder seal heat shrink wire waterproof connectors, so 4 in total. These are great and easy to use as it's a simple sleeve made of heat shrinkable material that even a hairdryer can melt. We've found these tubes as one of the better products available as the material mitigates the potential dangers of corrosion and moisture to the wires. So all you have to do is cut your old melted or damaged plugs and connect or solder our new plugs in place. It's that easy. Place your order today for your exclusive universal airbag connector plug kit, airbag control module reset, and seatbelt repair on our website listed below in the description. Make sure you have your part numbers and OBD2 fault codes from the diagnostic scan to share with us so that we can ensure to repair your part and have it returned to you as soon as 2 business days. Once you receive your part, we make sure that you can simply just plug it into your vehicle and be done. MyAirbags also offers active headrest repair, active hood repair, collapsible steering column repair, occupant module repair, rollover bar repair, custom seatbelt colors, seatbelt repairs, and airbag control module resets for those who cannot go without their vehicles. If for any reason we're unable to help you, we provide you your money back, guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow our family-owned and operated small business on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. See you next time.